Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to subscribe and hit that thumbs up at the bottom. Also feel free to hit that bell to be notified of all the new videos in the future. I do lots of review videos, tutorials, so feel free to join me in my journey. I'm a big product junkie. I love all types of products. So I just wanted to share with you my experiences, some reviews, give you some wear tests. So if that's something you're looking for, go ahead and subscribe. Today I'm going to be talking about Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer. It says that it's a naturally radiant concealer to instantly hide imperfections, banish the appearance of dark circles, and blur the look of lines and wrinkles for complete coverage so undetectable. They'll think you were born this way. Results are 97% said this concealer provides a natural, undetectable finish. 97% said the concealer provides a smooth, creaseless finish. And 97% said this concealer provides a flawless, no makeup look. And then also it says the benefits is 100% showed improvement in skin moisture levels after 1 hour. I'm on the Ulta website and it's about a 4 out of 5 out of 582 reviews, which is really good on their review spectrum. I really liked it because, big surprise, it has coconut in it. I love coconut. I don't know why, but I think my body and my hair and everything just responds really well to it. It's very moisturizing. I love it. I can tell you that this is the second time that I wear this concealer. I'm wearing it today. And I wore it when I was doing a review for the new NARS Radiant Foundation, the long wear one. I thought that they were a good match together. The one thing about it though that I'm noticing is it isn't full coverage because they do want it to blend into your skin and really look skin-like. So because I'm wearing it today, I didn't put any correctors or anything because I really wanted you guys to see the true finish of it as far as what it looks like when it doesn't get any help, if that makes sense. So let me zoom you in. And that's how it's looking. Today I'm not wearing a very heavy coverage foundation. I'm just using a BB cream today, and I set it with some powder. So I thought this was a good concealer to test out with that to see if it stands out anymore, because sometimes when you wear more heavier concealers, you can really tell, especially if your coverage is light on your face. So this isn't super full coverage. So if you're going to compare this to the top sellers like Shape Tape, which I have 2 of them actually. Like the Shape Tape concealers, these of course are the most full coverage, top selling in America. But I find when it's creaseless or anything like that, they're really drying. So I've actually been reaching more towards my Bye Bye Under Eye The Illumination because it has those skin benefits in it and it helps to hydrate. So this one also says to hydrate, but it's creaseless, so it's supposed to be the best of all worlds. The only thing about this is it isn't full coverage. So I'm looking at it and I can kind of see a little bit of darkness just peeking through underneath my eyes. But it does have a natural type of radiant finish to it, to where it does look like it just kind of blends seamlessly into the skin, and it actually doesn't look bad. It's like when you find your perfect BB cream or light tinted moisturizer that you can tell, shows your imperfections, but it does it so beautifully that it doesn't look apparent. It just looks nice and radiant. So hey everyone, so it's the end of the night here and I wanted to check in with you about the concealer that I tried out, and I actually just looked at it and some parts of it completely came off, and I don't know if it's because I was touching my eye, and I don't think I was, but I might have, because I was watching a movie and it was a little emotional and I was kind of wiping off the tears. So I know that this doesn't say that it's waterproof, so maybe that's the case. It's supposed to be creaseless and it's supposed to be hydrating. But if you can see underneath my left eye, it's pretty much completely rubbed off. And it's like kind of weird, like you can like see the definite change of color and stuff here, and it's like a little interesting. And like from far away I can see like the darkness underneath my eyes, and I can see like the cakiness, I guess is what it is. It's just really like kicked up under here. So I don't really think that it's creaseless, but when you really start to like build it up, I think maybe it just got a little cakey. So I'm gonna give it some more tries, of course. Continue to wear it, continue to play with it, see what products work best with it. And even though it's kind of looking like this, like I still really like it. It just blends really well on the skin. It's still very comfortable. So even though it did that, I think maybe tonight was just one of those nights where other factors played a part in it breaking down. If you guys are interested in it, I would pick up a travel size from Sephora. That's usually what I did. I think it was $12 or less. And try it out for yourself. There's a good amount of product in it. So that's pretty much where I stand with it. I still want to give it some fair shots. So I'll keep you guys updated in future videos. But thank you guys so much for watching my video today, and we'll see you in the next one.